You're hoping for some good weather. Well, it's going to be changing as we head into the afternoon and evening hours. That's because we're going to see another system move to the north, providing some light rain and light snow for the northern mountains in southern Colorado. Right now, the radar is pretty quiet. Some of this is not even reaching the ground just yet, but that will be changing as we head into the afternoon and evening hours. But all the precipitation will stay to the north of Interstate 40, similar weather to what we had on your Saturday night. Now, the big difference today, temperatures will be cooler, but the winds are also going to be picking up as this system gets closer. This area of low pressure will cause our winds to be rather strong out of the west from 20 to 30 miles per hour with gusts of 40 miles per hour or even more at times. So what you're looking at right now is the water vapor, and that measures the amount of moisture in the middle levels of the atmosphere. So we had one wave of moisture move through last night, but here in the metro and in the southeast, we just saw clouds from that system. Similar pattern for today. We're going to see a low pressure system with most of the moisture staying off to the north, and then we'll see the winds really ramp up as we head into the afternoon and evening hours. So here's the wind forecasts. Right now, they're not too bad, about 5 to 10 miles per hour, but as we head into the afternoon hours, you'll see the yellows. That's indicating areas of stronger winds, especially to the north of Interstate 40 and also in the northeast around Las Vegas. We're talking about winds sustained out of the west at 20 to 30 miles per hour. Now, the winds will relax just a little bit as we head into the overnight hours tonight, but then you'll see they pick up in intensity, but not as strong on your Monday. So taking a look at the red flag warning that we have in effect for all day today, all of the states shaded in pink indicating that red flag warning. So it's a good idea not to burn anything outdoors today. So taking a look at the forecast, breaking it all down for you, we'll have that low pressure system moving to the north. So some light rain and light snow to the north, picking up those winds. So that's why we have the red flag warning for today. And then as we head into your Monday, the winds will stay strong. We'll see a lot of sunshine, but temperatures will be on the cooler side, a little bit more seasonal for this time of the year. We're talking about highs in the middle 60s, but a pretty nice start to the work week. Taking a look at your extended forecast for southern Colorado today, temperatures climbing into the upper 50s to near 60 degrees, some light rain, especially this afternoon into the evening hours. Then things quiet down a little bit tomorrow, and then we cool down as well, a high temperature of only 50 degrees as we start the work week. In the northwest today, Farmington climbing to 66 degrees, 71 degrees in Gallup. We'll see rain showers moving through the area. Winds rather strong out of the west from 15 to 25 miles per hour with gusts over 30 miles per hour. In the southwest today, another warm one. Temperatures climbing into the upper 70s. A lot of sunshine for you today and also for tomorrow. You're not really going to see any effect from the storm system because it's well to the north, but we will see the clouds increase as we head into the middle and end of the week with temperatures in the 70s and 60s over the next 7 days. In the southeast today, temperatures climbing into the upper 70s and lower 80s. A lot of sunshine for Sunday, Monday. Then the clouds increase ahead of our next system that will move through on Wednesday, bringing the chance for some light rain. Temperatures hovering in the upper 70s to near 80 degrees before cooling down next weekend. In the northeast today, temperatures climbing into the 60s and the 70s, depending on where you are, but a chance for some light rain all across the region. Winds out of the west from 20 to 30 miles per hour with gusts over 40 miles per hour. In the northern mountains, temperatures today climbing into the 60s. We'll make it to 60 degrees with some clouds and a chance for some rain. A lot of sunshine for your Monday. Temperatures in the 60s and 50s for much of the week before cooling down into the upper 40s by next Saturday. For the east mountains, the winds are going to be the big story. We will have partly cloudy skies sustained out of the west from 20 to 30 miles per hour, and the winds will also be strong in the metro. Temperatures climbing into the upper 60s and lower 70s with some clouds. And taking a look at the extended forecast for Albuquerque, a lot of sunshine on your Monday. Temperatures a little bit more seasonal, climbing into the middle 60s, and they'll stay in the 60s until next weekend. So not a bad St. Patrick's Day, but it is going to be on the windy side over the next 24 to 48 hours.